I was just kidding. So anyway, I am Satyajit and today I am going to talk about the very famous wavy and twistedly written words that we use daily in our internet life, which generally known as CAPTCHA and reCAPTCHA. I am very much sure that many of us have seen and used CAPTCHA a lot of time during ticket booking or filling up the form on Gmail or Yahoo. But how many of you know that how CAPTCHA works and how it is helping the humanity? And that's what we are going to see today. So let's begin. These wavy and twistedly written words which we use during filling up the form or booking a ticket is generally known as CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA stands for Computer Automated Public Tuning Test to tell computer and human apart, which means that it is designed to differentiate between humans and computer bots when filling up the form or when booking a ticket or during online pollings. In early days of internet, when hackers or the people who used to put sensitive information on forums, they use a special language, a special kind of language which is known as let's speak, in which what they do is they replace some words or whole words of the English sentence into a special symbol so that the forum filter cannot capture their presence. So the word hello become like this. So these are the very basics building block of the CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA was invented in 1997 at Alta Vista, which is a company in USA, to stop the computer boots from adding fake URLs or adding extra URLs to their search engine. The CAPTCHA technology or the design of CAPTCHA easily work because we humans can easily identify what is written in that text when we compare it with bots. So bot cannot detect those CAPTCHA easily and we human can detect that CAPTCHA easily. That is why this thing works. For example, if there is a cricket match and tickets of the match to be sold online, if a hacker wants to buy maximum tickets so that he can sell those tickets in black later, what he will do is he will create a program or he will create an automated program that will go to that website, fill up the form automatically and purchase as many as possible tickets for the hacker. And to prevent such type of attack, CAPTCHA is designed, because though these bots are faster than human, they can book faster tickets than human, but they cannot read complex things such as CAPTCHA. So whenever a computer bot or computer automated program fill online forms or book online ticket, as soon as it comes to the CAPTCHA section, it fails because it cannot read that word. Now let's see how CAPTCHA works. The algorithm of CAPTCHA or the roots of CAPTCHA are deeply connected with the tuning test, which was designed by Alan Turing, which was developed to examine whether machine can think or appear to think or they are like humans. The basic phenomena of CAPTCHA is it requires human to type a certain word, and these words are not written by any human but they are scanned from old books. Now we will see step by step how this CAPTCHA program is designed. So in step 1, the administrator or the people who design the CAPTCHA will scan old books and store them in the form of images. In step 2, the CAPTCHA program will select two random words from these scanned images in such a way that one word it understood and another word it do not understood. In step 3, the program will display both the words in front of user when he or she is filling up the form. In that CAPTCHA, the first word is understood by the computer program, that is CAPTCHA program, and the second word is the word which he do not understand. If the user type the first word correctly, the CAPTCHA program will assume that the whole word is correct both the words are correct, and it will give you green signal to go ahead. As soon as CAPTCHA program give you green signal to go ahead, in step 4 and in background, the CAPTCHA program will take the second word and its answer and put both the words in its database, and again it present that second word to the next user. So now what CAPTCHA program have the second word and its predicted answer or its almost correct answer according to the CAPTCHA program. So the second word, which was unknown to the CAPTCHA program, is presented as first word to the second user. Now in step 5, as each user types this word again and again, the CAPTCHA program compare this word to the original answer and add this word, and if this program receive enough correct responses with a high degree of certainty, then that word would be go in the verified pool, that is in verified database, and in this way the corrected word is added to the original book. And in this way the CAPTCHA program is helping humanity in digitizing the old literature books. So this whole process seems to be very time consuming and lengthy, but on the other hand, the CAPTCHA program is doing two things. It is verifying humans from the bots, and on the other hand it is digitizing old literature books. But the digitization of the books are only done in the English language. So I personally think that the digitization of the books has to be done in other language also, depending on the geographic location of user, so that literature of other languages should also be digitized by us human. And this digitization of the books is generally known as reCAPTCHA. Now, how many of you think that this has to be done? Please give your views in the form of comments. Furthermore, Google has acquired reCAPTCHA in 2009 and developed another time-saving system which is known as noCAPTCHA, but that is a totally different topic which will be covered in next video. So that's it from this video, guys. See you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment this video, and have good time.